Synchronization licensing, or sync licensing for short, is a term that gets thrown around a lot in the music industry, especially when it comes to the copyright of intellectual property. But what exactly is it, and when do you need a sync license? A sync license allows someone to use someone else's song in audiovisual projects or moving images such as movies, movie trailers, television shows, commercials, video games, and more. When the music is synchronized with the chosen project, meaning the song has been reproduced as part of the soundtrack, then a synchronization license is necessary. A sync license is usually requested and obtained by the producer of a project, often on behalf of the network or broadcasting company. For them to receive a sync license, they need to obtain permission from all the copyright owners of a song. That means they need the permission from the master recording owner, which is usually the artist themselves or the record label, and the publishing rights owners, who are traditionally the composers, lyricists, or the publisher of the song. Naturally, obtaining a sync license is not free, which enables musicians to make money from having their song licensed. Find additional info about sync licensing and music publishing on our blog, and hit that subscribe button.